Hi there, welcome to my channel. So this is a very quick video on how I smoke my mackerel fish in the oven. So first thing, I pour water, warm or cold water, inside a tray before putting my fish. The work of this water is to prevent the fish from causing smoke in your kitchen. So you put hot water or cold water, anyone is okay. So basically when the fish starts smoking, it will be dropping oil, and the oil is what causes smoke in the kitchen. So with this water, it will prevent it. And also remember to add more water if the one you have is drying. So I set my oven at 230 degrees Celsius at 50 to 60 minutes, and here comes the fish. It looks so beautiful, well smoked and ready to be used to cook. So this is the water. Like I said before, I keep on adding water as I notice that it's reducing, because I don't want it to dry off. And you can see the drops that comes out from the fish. These are the things that would have caused smoke. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching, and bye.